Wind advisory extended until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time on Wednesday. What? South winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of northwest Arizona, southeast California and southern Nevada. When? Until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time on Wednesday. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details: patchy blowing dust is possible in the strong winds prior to the rainfall. During the rain, wind-blown rain may locally reduce visibility at times. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects.